Welcome to web session. Welcome to web session number 8. Now we're into another time series exercise. That's how appropriately I named it because I was boring. So let's look at it. So again, something that is a little more involved and in depth. So the accompanying data set contains 6 years of quarterly sales from your store. You would like to forecast future sales as a way to inform you as you are making staffing and budgeting plans. So number 1, statistically test at the alpha equals 0.05 statistical significance level whether or not there exists a linear trend in the time series data. What is the p-value of your test statistic? So this is actually an old exam question. So if you can do this, you ought to be able to be pretty good for the exam too. Number 2, based on your answer, can you conclude that linear trend exists in this time series data? Right. Regardless of your answer above, create a multiple linear regression model that captures both linear trend and additive seasonality. So you should know how to do that. You should use quarter 4 as your base season and fit the model with all 24 data points. Then there's a bunch of questions about that, right? Are all the independent variables statistically significant at 0.01, 1%? Which quarter has the largest sales? Which quarter has the smallest sales? What is the value of the adjusted R squared value? What does it mean? Etc., right? So all that. Then use the same data set as before, but now you're doing another holdout forecast, right? So use the first 20 data points holding out for the test set, the last 4, so the last year, and then compute the MAPE. You can do the other metrics also for only the validation / time period. All right. So again, very step through. If you can do these two web sessions, you should be well set for exam number 2.